Hey, equation engineers, welcome to the lab. Today we're not just solving math, we're building it. We've got 5 minutes to master the seesaw rule and solve our first big puzzle. Ready to get your hands dirty with some virtual Lego bricks? Let's go. Slide 1. We're tackling more on solving simple equations. The way of thinking here is all about the target. Our target is always to get that lonely letter all by itself on one side of the scale. Think of it as the VIP guest at a Lego party. The technique we use is equation engineering. We look at how the expression is built and then carefully take it apart brick by brick without causing a collapse. It takes patience, a steady hand, and maybe a snack break or two. Slide 2 introduces the golden rule of algebra, the seesaw rule. If the two sides are balanced, they are equal. Hint, always keep your eye on the middle point. That's our equal sign. If that moves, our whole math world is in trouble. Way of thinking. Whatever you do to the left, you must do to the right. Take one brick away from the left, the scale tips, splat, but take one from the right too, perfectly balanced. That's the secret to math harmony, my friends. Don't be that guy. Slide 3. Our first mission. 2 plus 3 equals 9. The technique is to work on the extra bricks first. See that plus 3? It's in the way. We need to move it before we can talk to the M bricks. Logic check, first in, last out. Hint, do the opposite. The opposite of plus 3 is minus 3. Subtract 3 from both sides. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now we have a cleaner desk. 2 minors equals 6. No more clutter, just pure equation engineering. Slide 4, 2 equals 6. Technique check. 2 is a fancy way of saying 2 times m. The bricks are stuck together with math glue. To get 1 m alone, we use the opposite of multiplication, division. It's time to slice those bricks. Way of thinking. Divide your 6 bricks into 2 equal piles. How many are in each pile? 3. So each brick must be worth exactly 3 yellow bricks. Fair sharing is the law of the Legoland. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Boom. Slide 5. Success, m equals 3. But wait, don't celebrate yet. The pro technique is the verification step. Put that 3 back into the start. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Does 9 equal 9? Yes. The Lego scale is perfectly level. Final tip, always test your answer in the original question. If the scale stays balanced, you're a champion. You've successfully engineered your first solution. Wear that math trophy with pride. You've earned it. That was a massive 5-minute masterclass. You've got the logic, you've got the technique. I'll see you in section 2 for more equation engineering. Keep building. Welcome back, Master Builders. You've learned the seesaw rule, but today we're going even deeper. We've got 5 minutes to master the power of opposites. We're talking subtraction, division, and some wisdom from our bird friend. Grab your hard hats, it's time to build. Look at slide 6. E over 6 minus 2 equals 5. The way of thinking here is all about the obstacle. That minus 2 is a loose brick blocking our path to E. Our goal is to get E all by itself. We use the power of the opposite. The opposite of subtraction is addition. So we add 2 to both sides of our Lego scale. 5 plus 2 is 7, and on the left, the minus 2 vanishes. Now we have E over 6 equals 7. 1 obstacle down, 1 to go. Always move the loose bricks first. Now for step 2, E is divided by 6. The opposite of division is multiplication. We multiply both sides by 6, and E is finally standing alone. 7 times 6 is 42, so E equals 42. But slide 7 reminds us of the most important step, quality control. We never trust a result until we test it. Plug 42 back in. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. Does it match our blueprint? Yes, that's the feeling of solid engineering. No guessing, just math mastery. Always test your work. Slide 8 brings back our bird friend with the rules of the road. Rule 1, note which part you work on first. Rule 2, use the opposite operation to move bricks. Rule 3, apply changes to both sides. It's the law of math harmony. Imagine building a Lego bridge. If you add support to one side, you have to add it to the other to keep it level. Algebra is just a game of balance. Use your math twins, plus and minus, multiply and divide, and you'll find the unknown every single time. Trust the bird. Let's apply the rules on slide 9. 5 plus s over 4 equals 9. The loose brick is that positive 5. The opposite is subtraction. We subtract 5 from both sides. On the left, we're left with just s over 4. On the right, 9 minus 5 is 4. Now s is being divided by 4. To get it alone, we use our multiplication tool. Multiply both sides by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. S equals 16. We've peeled back the layers of the problem until we found the treasure. It's like unboxing a new Lego set. One last check to go. Final inspection on slide 10. We found S equals 16. Replace S with 16 in the original blueprint. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 equals 9. A perfect match. Our scale is as level as a pancake. You've successfully solved 2 complex puzzles today, engineers. The technique of opposite operations and the verification habit are the most powerful bricks in your toolkit. You're becoming true equation architects. Celebrate with a victory dance. You've earned it. See you in section 3. 5 slides, 5 minutes, and section 2 is mastered. You've got the logic, you've got the engineering skills. I'll see you in section 3 for more challenges. Keep building your brain power. Peace out. Welcome back, equation engineers. We are leveling up in section 3. Get ready for double trouble. We'll be doing 2-step equations that require serious Lego logic. 5 slides, 5 minutes. Grab your hard hats. Slide 11. 3y minus 6 equals 12. Way of thinking, always attack the loose bricks first. The 6 is sitting out there on its own. Technique, do the opposite. Add 6 to both sides. 12 plus 6 is 18. Now we have 3y equals 18. Much cleaner. Now for step 2. 3y means 3 times y. The opposite is division. Divide both sides by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So y equals 6. Hint, think of it as sorting 18 bricks into 3 equal piles. 6 in each pile. Double trouble solved. Slide 12 is our quality control. We found y equals 6. Way of thinking, trust, but verify. Plug the 6 back in. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. Does 12 equal 12? You bet it does. The scale is perfectly balanced. Slide 13. 3x plus 4 equals 13. Your turn to engineer. First step, remove the loose brick. The opposite of plus 4 is 4. Subtract 4 from both sides. 13 minus 4 is 9. Now we're down to 3x equals 9. Almost there. Second step, 3 times x. Do the opposite and divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. X equals 3. Quick mental check. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 4 is 13. Nailed it. You guys are getting fast at this. Slide 14. Fraction alert. H over 3 minus 4 equals 6. Don't panic. Way of thinking is exactly the same. Target the loose brick first. The opposite of 4 is plus 4. Add 4 to both sides. 6 plus 4 is 10. We have h over 3 equals 10. Now h is divided by 3. The opposite, multiply. Multiply both sides by 3. 10 times 3 is 30. H equals 30. Pro tip, treat fractions just like division. They're just bricks stacked differently. You conquered the fraction. Slide 15. 2 plus q over 6 equals 10. Way of thinking, the order looks different, but the rules are the same. Find the loose brick. It's that positive 2 at the front. Technique, subtract 2 from both sides. 10 minus 2 is 8. Q over 6 equals 8. Final step, q is divided by 6. Do the opposite. Multiply by 6. 8 times 6 is 48. Q equals 48. Quick check, 48 divided by 6 is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. It works. You just outsmarted a tricky equation. 5 slides, 5 minutes. You've officially mastered 2-step equations. I am so proud of your engineering skills. I'll see you in section 4 for even more math magic. Keep building. Welcome back, Math Masters. Section 4 is here, and today we're doing something amazing. We're learning how to speak math. We'll turn messy word stories into beautiful Lego equations. 5 slides, 5 minutes. Let's get our translation tools ready. Slide 16, 5m minus 7 equals 13. Way of thinking, loose bricks first. The technique is to add 7 to both sides. 13 plus 7 is 20. Now we have 5m equals 20. Hint, Use the opposite of whatever operation is bothering you. Subtraction's enemy is addition. Step 2. 5 times m equals 20. Opposite time. Divide both sides by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4, so m equals 4. Check it. 5 times 4 is 20, minus 7 is 13. Perfect. You're cleaning up these equations like a Lego sorting pro. Slide 17, turning words into math. Add 8 to the product of 2 and u. Logic check. Product is our code word for multiplication, so 2 times u, then add 8. 2u plus 8 equals 20. Hint, look for the action words. They tell you which Lego pieces to use. The way of thinking here is order of operations. Multiply first, then add. Solving the equation gives us u arc 6. Technique, subtract 8, then divide by 2. It's like following a Lego instruction manual, but the steps are written in words. You're a math linguist now. Slide 18, subtract 5 from w divided by 6. Don't let the long sentence scare you. Way of thinking, divided by 6 is just our fraction brick, w over 6. Then subtract 5. Result is 7. Hint, break the sentence into small bricks and then snap them together. Technique, add 5 to get 12, then multiply by 6. W equals 72. Logic check, 72 divided by 6 is 12, minus 5 is 7. It works. You're decoding the secrets of word problems. No hidden message is safe from your math skills. Slide 19. Jenna's shopping mystery. 4 pencils and 1 eraser cost $17. The eraser is $5. What's the price of a pencil? Way of thinking, if we don't know it, we give it a letter name. Let's call it E. Hint, letters are just placeholders for missing bricks. The technique is to represent the total cost using our letter. 4 times E plus the $5 eraser. This is the heart of problem solving, turning a story into a building plan. Once you have the plan, the solving is easy. Jenna, we're on the case. Slide 20, the master plan. This table breaks down our story into math bricks. 4 pencils cost 4E. Pencils plus eraser cost 4E plus 5. Total is 17. The equation is 4E plus 5 equals 17. Pro tip, use a table like this when the story gets complicated. It's your math blueprint. Way of thinking, translate each part of the story into one piece of the equation. 4 pencils, 4E, total cost equals 17. Technique, build the math sentence just like you'd build a Lego wall, one brick at a time. You've officially entered the world of word problem mastery. Awesome work. 5 slides, 5 minutes, and you are word problem wizards. You've learned how to decode the language of math. I'll see you in section 5, where we solve Jenna's mystery and many more. Keep building. Welcome back, equation engineers. We've learned how to write the plans, but now we're going into the field. We're solving real-world Lego mysteries today. From pencils to noodles to chocolate, nothing is too tough for our math tools. 5 slides, 5 minutes. Let's get to work. Slide 21. Solving for Jenna's pencils. 4E plus 5 equals 17. Way of thinking, target the loose $5 eraser first. Technique, subtract 5 from both sides. 17 minus 5 is 12. Now we have 4E equals 12. Hint, keep that seesaw level with every single move. Step 2, 4 times E is 12. Opposite time, divide both sides by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3, so each pencil costs $3. Logic check, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 5 is 17. Jenna's budget is safe. You've successfully solved your first field mission. Slide 22, the master tip. Way of thinking, don't just check the equation, check the story. Technique, put your answer back into the original pencil story. If it makes sense in the real world, your engineering is solid. Hint, the story is the ultimate boss of algebra. Slide 23, the noodle sack mystery. 8 sacks, L bags in each. We use 12 bags and 28 are left. Way of thinking, translate sacks to total bags first, 8L. Technique, since we use them, we subtract. 8L minus 12 equals 28. Hint, visualize the sacks as Lego storage containers. Building the blueprint is half the battle. We've turned a busy restaurant story into a clean Lego equation. Now we just follow our engineering steps to find the bags in each sack. Can you feel your math brain power growing? It's getting stronger with every brick. Slide 24, solving the noodle puzzle. 8L minus 12 is 28. Technique, add 12 to both sides. 28 plus 12 is 40. Now 8L equals 40. Logic check, opposite of minus is plus. Step 2, divide by 8. 40 divided by 8 is 5, so there are 5 bags in every sack. Mission accomplished. Final check, 5 times 8 is 40 bags total. Use 12. 40 minus 12 is 28. Does it match the story? Yes. You've engineered a perfect solution for the restaurant. Pro tip, always celebrate a verified answer with a small math victory dance. You've earned it. Slide 25, the chocolate weight challenge. 4 bags of candies plus a 65-degree chocolate bar weighs 385 grams. Way of thinking, the chocolate is our known weight. Let's move it. Technique, subtract 65 from both sides. 385 minus 65 is 320. Now 4F equals 320. Sweet math. Step 2. 4 bags weigh 320 grains. Divide by 4. 320 divided by 4 is 80. So each bag weighs 80 grams. Logic check, 4 times 80 is 320, plus 65 is 385. Perfect. You're handling these multi-step stories like absolute legends. Chocolate for everyone. Math chocolate, of course. 5 slides, 5 minutes. You've mastered real-world problem solving. You are officially field engineers now. I'll see you in Section 6 for more challenges. Keep building your future, one brick at a time. Peace out. Welcome back, Math Builders. We're diving deep into Section 6. Today is all about the great sharing mystery. We've got stamps to share, stickers to count, and fruit to buy. 5 slides, 5 minutes. Let's get our formulas building. Michelle's stamps. She fills 6 cards with T stamps each. Gives 9 away, has 51 left. Way of thinking? Set up the story. 60 minus 9 equals 51. Technique? Add 9 to both sides to replace what she gave away. 51 plus 9 is 60. Now we have 60 equals 60. Divide both sides by 6 and T equals 10. So 10 stamps per card. Hint, always check. 6 times 10 is 60. Give away 9. 51 left. The story matches the math. You're a stamp sorting genius. Slide 27. Bella and Jerry's sticker battle. Bella has K packs of 16K. Jerry has 9 more than Bella, and his total is 73. Way of thinking, Jerry's total is Bella's total plus 9. Equation 16K plus 9 equals 73. Let's solve it on slide 28. Subtract 9 from both sides. 73 minus 9 is 64. Now 16K equals 64. Divide by 16. K equals 4. Bella has 4 packs. Pro tip, when the numbers get big, just trust the engineering steps. The process never fails. Fruit shopping with Mum. Lemons are $4 each. Mum buys you lemons. The $30 melon is $6 more than the lemons. Way of thinking, the melon price equals the lemon price plus 6. So 30 equals 4U plus 6. Let's flip it. 4U plus 6 equals 30. Subtract 6 from both sides. 30 minus 6 is 24. 4U equals 24. Divide by 4 and U equals 6. Mum bought 6 lemons. Hint, if the equation looks backward, just swap the sides. A balanced seesaw works both ways. Miss Wong's paper packs. A pack Q is divided into 4 portions. Pauline had 6 sheets, gets 1 portion, and now has 14. 6 plus Q over 4 equals 14. Build the story linearly. Start with 6, add the portion, equals 14. Solving on slide 31, target the loose 6. Subtract 6 from both sides. 14 minus 6 is 8. Q over 4 equals 8. Now multiply by 4. 8 times 4 is 32. There were 32 sheets in the pack. Check it. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Flawless. Did you notice? In every single problem, we checked our answer against the original story. That is the true mark of a master equation engineer. Never skip the quality control check. That's a wrap on Section 6. You've tackled some massive word problems today. Get some rest, and I'll see you in Section 7 for the intelligence contest. Keep building. Welcome back, Math Builders. We're diving deep into Section 6. Today is all about the great sharing mystery. We've got stamps to share, stickers to count, and fruit to buy. 5 slides, 5 minutes. Let's get our formulas building. Michelle's stamps. She fills 6 cards with T stamps each, gives 9 away, has 51 left. Way of thinking? Set up the story. 6T minus 9 equals 51. Technique? Add 9 to both sides to replace what she gave away. 51 plus 9 is 60. Now we have 6T equals 60. Divide both sides by 6 and T equals 10, so 10 stamps per card. Hint, always check. 6 times 10 is 60. Give away 9, 51 left. The story matches the math. You're a stamp sorting genius. Slide 27. Bella and Jerry's sticker battle. Bella has K packs of 16, 16K. Jerry has 9 more than Bella, and his total is 73. Way of thinking, Jerry's total is Bella's total plus 9. Equation, 16K plus 9 equals 73. Let's solve it on slide 28. Subtract 9 from both sides. 73 minus 9 is 64. Now 16K equals 64. Divide by 16, K equals 4. Bella has 4 packs. Pro tip, when the numbers get big, just trust the engineering steps. The process never fails. Fruit shopping with Mum. Lemons are $4 each. Mum buys you lemons. The $30 melon is $6 more than the lemons. Way of thinking, the melon price equals the lemon price plus 6. So 30 equals 4U plus 6. Let's flip it. 4U plus 6 equals 30. Subtract 6 from both sides. 30 minus 6 is 24. 4U equals 24. Divide by 4, and U equals 6. Mum bought 6 lemons. Hint, if the equation looks backward, just swap the sides. A balanced seesaw works both ways. Miss Wong's paper packs. A pack Q is divided into 4 portions. Pauline had 6 sheets, gets 1 portion, and now has 14. 6 plus Q over 4 equals 14. Build the story linearly. Start with 6, add the portion, equals 14. Solving on slide 31, target the loose 6. Subtract 6 from both sides. 14 minus 6 is 8. Q over 4 equals 8. Now multiply by 4. 8 times 4 is 32. There were 32 sheets in the pack. Check it. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Flawless. Did you notice? In every single problem, we checked our answer against the original story. That is the true mark of a master equation engineer. Never skip the quality control check. That's a wrap on section 6. You've tackled some massive word problems today. Get some rest, and I'll see you in section 7 for the intelligence contest. Keep building. Welcome to the grand finale, Equation Engineers. Section 7 is our final test of intelligence and strength. We've got Girl Scouts, game cards, and class stats to solve. 5 slides, 5 minutes. Let's build our final masterpiece. Slide 32, the Scout Troop. Girl Scouts make up 1/3 of P total Scouts. That's P over 3. 8 wear glasses, 16 don't. Way of thinking, the total Girl Scouts, P over 3, minus the ones with glasses. 8 equals the ones without glasses, 16. Equation, P over 3 minus 8 equals 16. Let's solve it on slide 33. Target the loose 8. Technique, add 8 to both sides. 16 plus 8 is 24. Now P over 3 equals 24. Multiply by 3. P equals 72. There are 72 scouts total. Logic check, 72 divided by 3 is 24 girls. 24 minus 8 is 16. It's a perfect match. Slide 34 shows another way. What if we subtract the girls without glasses, 16, from the total P over 3 to find the girls with glasses, 8? The equation is P over 3 minus 16 equals 8. Hint, in algebra, there's often more than one way to build the same tower. Slide 35, game card sharing. Elder brother had 18 cards. Mum shares a set U equally among 3 brothers. He now has 26. Way of thinking, original cards 18 plus new cards U over 3 equals total 26. Equation, 18 plus U over 3 equals 26. Technique, the 18 is positive, so we subtract 18 from both sides. 26 minus 18 is 8. Now U over 3 equals 8. Multiply by 3 and U equals 24. The set had 24 cards. Pro tip, always map out the before, the action, and the after when building your equation. Final problem. Slide 36. Class 5A has T students. Half are girls, T over 2. 6 don't take the bus, 12 do take the bus. Way of thinking, total girls, T over 2, minus girls not on bus. 6 equals girls on bus. 12. Equation t over 2 minus 6 equals 12. Let's engineer the final solution. Add 6 to both sides. 12 plus 6 is 18. T over 2 equals 18. Multiply by 2, t equals 36. There are 36 students in class 5A. Logic check. Half of 36 is 18 girls. 18 minus 6 not on the bus is 12 on the bus. Flawless. You did it. You took messy, confusing stories and turned them into perfectly balanced equations. You've learned the seesaw rule, the art of the opposite, and how to speak math fluently. Remember the ultimate technique: always test your answer against the original story. It's the quality control check that makes you a true professional. Never trust an unverified brick. You are officially equation engineers. Thank you for building with me throughout Unit 12. Keep practicing, keep balancing those scales, and I'll see you in the next mathematical adventure. Peace out. Welcome back, equation engineers. It's time for Section 8. We're entering the rapid fire zone. 4 equations, 5 minutes. We're going to use all our Lego logic to smash these problems. Hard hats on. First up on slide 37, 5r plus 8 equals 43. Way of thinking? Find the loose brick. It's the plus 8. The technique? Do the opposite. Subtract 8 from both sides. 43 minus 8 is 35. Our new foundation is 5r equals 35. You're building fast. Step 2, 5 times r is 35. Opposite operation time. Divide both sides by 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So r equals 7. Logic check. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 8 is 43. Verified. First challenge destroyed. Equation 2, 4e minus 12 equals 36. Way of thinking? That 12 is in our way. Technique? Add 12 to both sides. 36 plus 12 is 48. Now we have a clean line. 4e equals 48. Notice how adding makes the negative disappear? Math magic. Next step, 4 times e is 48. The opposite of multiply is divide. Divide by 4. 48 divided by 4 is 12. E equals 12. Quick check. 4 times 12 is 48. Minus 12 is 36. Flawless execution, engineers. Keep up the pace. Equation 3. Fraction alert. F over 6 minus 7 equals 3. Don't let the fractions scare you. Way of thinking: stick to the rules. Target the loose. 7 first. Technique: add 7 to both sides. 3 plus 7 is 10. F over 6 equals 10. The foundation is set. Now, F is divided by 6. The opposite, multiply. Multiply both sides by 6. 10 times 6 is 60. F equals 60. Pro tip: treat fractions like any other operation. Check. 60 divided by 6 is 10. Minus 7 is 3. Perfect. Final boss for this section. Equation 4. B over 5 plus 11 equals 22. Way of thinking? You know the drill. Move the plus 11 by subtracting 11 from both sides. 22 minus 11 is 11. B over 5 equals 11. You're doing this in your sleep now. B is divided by 5. The opposite is multiply. Multiply both sides by 5. 11 times 5 is 55. B equals 55. Final quality control: 55 divided by 5 is 11. 11 plus 11 is 22. Verified. You've just survived the rapid fire round. 4 equations, 5 minutes, and 0 mistakes. You are true equation masters. I'll see you in Section 9 for the next rapid fire round. Keep building. Peace out. Welcome back, equation masters. Section 9 is here, and the rapid fire continues. We've got 4 more puzzles on slide 38. Some have the letter on the right, some have massive results, but all follow our Lego logic. 5 slides, 5 minutes. Let's get building. First up, 19 plus 9n equals 46. Way of thinking: don't let the 19 at the front distract you. It's just a loose brick. Technique: subtract 19 from both sides. 46 minus 19 is 27. Now our tower is 9n equals 27. The engineering is getting smoother already. Step 2. 9 times n is 27. Opposite operation? Division. Divide both sides by 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. So n equals 3. Logic check. 9 times 3 is 27. plus 19 is 46. Verified. You're sorting these bricks like a pro. 1 down, 3 to go. Equation 6. 27 equals 7c minus 15. Way of thinking, the scale is flipped. But remember, a balanced Lego seesaw is equal no matter which side you stand on. Technique. Move the loose, 15, by adding 15 to both sides. 27 plus 15 is 42. Now 42 equals 7c. Easy. Step 2. 7 times c is 42. Opposite time, divide by 7. 42 divided by 7 is 6, so c equals 6. Hint, if the equation feels backwards, you can always rewrite it as 7c minus 15 equals 27. It's the same math tower, just viewed from the other side. Logic check passed. Equation 7. 25 equals v over 8 plus 10. Way of thinking, target the loose, plus 10 first. Technique, subtract 10 from both sides. 25 minus 10 is 15. Now we have 15 equals v over 8. The path to v is opening up. Keep your building steady. Final step, v is divided by 8. Opposite operation, multiply. Multiply both sides by 8. 15 times 8 is 120, so v equals 120. Logic check, 120 divided by 8 is 15, plus 10 is 25. Level scales. You're handling these fractions like a master builder. Final challenge, equation 8. 14 equals a over 9 minus 58. Way of thinking, move the loose 58 by adding 58 to both sides. 14 plus 58 is 72. Now 72 equals a over 9. This is the biggest tower yet. Stay focused. A is divided by 9. Opposite time, multiply by 9 on both sides. 72 times 9 is 648. Whoa! A equals 648. Logic check, 648 divided by 9 is 72. Minus 58 is 14. Perfect engineering. You solved the massive one. Wear your master builder crown with pride. 4 more equations, 5 more minutes, and you are officially equation legends. You've conquered slide 38. I'll see you in section 10 for some shopping math mysteries. Keep those brains building. Peace out.